In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon in Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Product Catalog. This is where Stripe organizes items related to products, prices, and discounts, so it's the right place to manage coupon settings. After that, select the Coupons tab. This will take you to the area where you can view existing coupons and create new ones. When you're ready, click Create Coupon to open the setup form. Now you can begin entering the coupon details. First, type a name into the name field. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple coupons later. Next, if you need a custom coupon ID, enter it in the ID field. If not, you can simply leave that field blank and let Stripe generate one automatically. Under Type, choose the kind of discount you want to offer. You can select percentage off if you want the coupon to reduce the price by a percentage, or fixed amount off if you want to deduct a specific amount instead. Then enter the discount value based on the option you selected. Be careful here, since this determines exactly how much the customer will save. If you want the coupon to work only for certain products, enable Apply to Specific Products. This is helpful when you don't want the discount to apply store-wide. Then choose the duration from the Duration dropdown. This setting controls how long the coupon remains active for a customer once it's used. So take a moment to pick the option that matches your promotion. Next, configure any redemption limits if needed. You can also set a redemption date range if you want the coupon to be available only during a specific promotional window. If necessary, set a maximum number of redemptions as well. These options are useful for controlling how long the offer runs and how many times it can be claimed. Before you finish, review all of the coupon settings carefully. This final check helps you catch any mistakes in the name, discount amount, product restrictions, duration, or redemption settings. Once everything looks correct, click Create Coupon. After the coupon is created, verify that it appears in the coupons list. This confirms that Stripe saved it successfully and that it's ready to use. Thanks for watching.